Fearless Freddie here again, deep in the jungles of Palm Bay, Florida. And, you know, animals and plants are amazing creatures. And I've always wondered how they communicate. You know, we talk to one another. Can animals make noises? Obviously they can, but there's got to be some way that they don't only communicate to themselves, but communicate to one another. Well, I've discovered something very rare indeed. It's a communication system that the animals of the jungle have. And I had to get down nice and low in order to see how this communication system works. So, why don't you take a look at this? You'll be surprised. Well, there you have it. The secret is out. We now know how animals communicate. This is Fearless Freddie. Back to the jungle.